So we're drunk and we're trying to figure out where we're going. Oh.
And we lost Kira. Josh, you might want to hurry up.
Okay, let's go rob them.
Let's go rob them.
Hey! Did you get my bird? You better not have. I'm telling you, if you did, I'm gonna shoot you. I will shoot you in your face if you got my bird. Where did the bird go? Where is that stinking bird?
Check the tree.
Are you up here? You up here? You up here, bird? I don't hear. Are you up here? Bird. Bird. Where'd it go?
Maybe we went across the street.
Oh my gosh. Where did the bird go? I think those people right there stole the bird.
Did you steal our bird? No. Okay. I think they stole our bird, Josh.
Where did that bird go?
Maybe we went to event parking.
No, it doesn't have any parking. It's not an event, it's a bird. Oh my gosh, I think these people stole the bird.
Did you see our bird?
Have you seen a bird? Excuse me. Have you seen a bird? Excuse me. Oh my gosh, how rude. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. See those people? I almost died. That car just kept coming.
Maybe we should stop.
So,
go ahead. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Did you see a bird? Look for the bird, Josh.
Bird.
We were jaywalking.
Bird.
Is it in there?
No.
Aww. Is it an angry bird?
Bird. Of course it's angry. I mean, what bird isn't angry?
Oh, you make me laugh. Ask people if they've seen the bird.
Huh?
Ask them if they've seen the bird.
Have you seen my bird?
We haven't seen our bird.
Don, have you seen the bird? It's loose.
Have you seen our bird, Daddy?
Don, tell me please you've seen it.
Look, Josh.
We're gonna get divorced.
Divorcing? You're divorcing my daddy? You know he's a fire hydrant? Josh, why?
He wouldn't tell me.
But Mommy!
He wouldn't tell me where the bird was.
Mommy, there's more to life than birds.
No, there's not. You crazy. Where do you learn this stuff? Who's
There's more to
teaching
life
you?
than birds. I'm scared.
We're in a softer.
20 birds.
We're in a softer.
20 birds later.
I found one of Angel's balls.
Angel has 30 balls. Look, there's our friend.
Where's the bird? Where?
Woo. Have you seen our bird? We lost him. We lost our bird. We lost our bird. We don't know. It's an angry bird. We don't know.
Angry bird. Which angry bird? Last time I saw light.
The green one.
He was inside.
The awesome one. We lost our bird.
Spin it around.
Bird. Bye.
Bye. Birdie bird.
Birdie bird. Where's our... Check the tree. Check the tree, Josh. No. Okay, come on now. Stop checking the tree. Oh my God. Death Note is showing. It was a bird's hole.
The bird.
Is a bird in there? Is he an administrator?
Bird? You better not be in there.
Bird? Bird, you better not be in there. Oh, we're on drugs.
I think the bird has a bank.
The bird has a thing.
Regions Bank.
Okay, see? Do not do drugs, ever.
Regions
unless
Bank
they are in
is a
tacos.
bird. I mean...
Yes. Regent's Bank is a bird.
I mean...
Regent's Bank is a bird. Is that where your bird works? I thought your bird worked the corners.
It does.
It's in that bush. It works that bush.
Part-time.
It works that bush every night.
That's part-time. Banker by day, hooker by night.
Banker by day, hooker by night. Is it in that light? Oh my God, it's fried. Joshy.
That bird was angry.
Mizu.
Oh, where is
It's a bird, my boss.
Are you in there?
Oh no, are you in there?
Well, are you in there?
Mizu, come back. Oh my God, Mizu.
There's a hole.
There's a hole. It's got something poking out of it.
Ooh.
You're like, ooh, truck driving.
Don't drive drunk.
Don't like drunk. Right.
Where's that bird at? I haven't found him yet. I really haven't. Are you in here, bird?
Are you in
Birdie.
I'm gonna have something bites you.
Bird, get out of here. Bird. Bird. Oh, gosh. It's not in there.
Got my bird.
It's not in there.
That bird could have been in there.
Look, it looks like a phone.
Bird.
Doesn't it?
Maybe the bird's on the phone. Get out of there, you're grounded. Mommy, tell the bird's grounded.
Who burned the bird?
I did. I'm gonna walk up this stuff. Oh God, I almost fell. Maybe the bird fell in there. Cause I know I'm about to. Bird. Bird, were you in that car? Did some pedo get you? Bird. Bird. Bird, come back to us.
Bird.
Are you in there? Bird.
You know the bird plays the clarinet.
Our bird plays clarinet. Bird, are you in there?
Bird.
Bird, are you in that car?
Bird, where are you?
Bird.
Where's that bird at?
Where's that bird at?
Where's that bird?
Where's that bird? I don't know.
Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, this lady's gonna run over us. Look, her thing says oink. Her does, did you see that?
Bird, are you in the Coca-Cola place? Bird. I'm gonna get hit.
Bird, I think he's gonna like.
Bird. Bird, are you in there? Bird.
Where's that bird at?
Where is that bird at?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, maybe it's in that car. Oh my god, where's that bird?
Did you see my bird, lady?
Bird, are you trying to kill us? Bird.
Where's that?
Bird. Come here, bird.
Where's that bird?
What's in there? What is in there?
Where'd it go?
What is in there? What is that? What is that? Bird. 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 Bird, are you in there? Where's that bird? So,
What do you think? Illegal U-turn.
Josh slash Mizu. Do you know where the bird is?
Where's that bird? You hit it, didn't you? I knew it. Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Oh, you put it in here. Where is it? Where's that bird? Is that bird in here? I don't see it.
Zip it up, maybe it'll come back.
It's green though. I know that. I mean, obviously.
Zip it up, maybe it'll come back.
Zip up your pants.
How'd you know my pants weren't zipped?
The bird.
The bird told you, but where was the bird?
The bird unzipped them.
The bird unzipped my pants.
That's why I don't know where it is. Maybe it's in the pants.
The bird unzipped my pants, I gotta check.
Why don't you look?
The bird's not in my pants.
You better double check.
I'm birdless. My pants are birdless.
Where is that bird?
Where is that bird?
I can't find
We've been recording this for like 8 minutes.
I can't find that bird though.
Where is that bird?
I think we just shoot an Amber Alert.
Not in there. Where is that bird? Go ask people where the bird went. Where is that bird? Where is that bird?
Where is my bird?
Where is your bird? Is your bird on your hand?
Don't close.
Don't close. We're trying to look for a bird here. It's an automatic door, Josh. Yeah. You'll never find a bird like that. I almost hit you with the door. I hit you with the door. How do you feel about that?
Where's that bird?
Maybe that bird went upstairs.
Right.
Where's that bird?
I can't find it. Okay, maybe it hit those balls on the way.
Angel's balls.
Saggy.
Oh, where was that bird? Is that our bird? Is that our bird? Evidence. Evidence.
It's been here.
Our bird is here. But I thought our bird was green. Oh, we'll never know. Maybe it found another bird. Maybe they got a room.
Maybe this is a hotel, isn't it?
Not really.
Oh, it's not.